If you're a man over 30 and you've tried creatine before, or you've avoided it because you weren't sure it was safe, this video is for you. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements in the world, but it's also one of the most misunderstood. Today, I'm breaking down what creatine actually does, whether it still works after 30, and how to use it correctly if your goals are muscle, fat loss, and recovery. No hype, just what the science actually says. Creatine is not a steroid, it's not a hormone, and it's not a shortcut. It's a naturally occurring compound that your body already produces and stores in muscle cells. Its primary role is helping your muscles regenerate ATP, which is the energy source your body uses during short, intense efforts like lifting weights or sprinting. In practical terms, creatine helps you do slightly more work in the gym. An extra rep, a little more load, better performance across sets. And over time, that adds up. Yes, and in many cases, it's even more useful after 30. As we age, several things change. Muscle protein synthesis slows. Recovery takes longer. Training volume becomes harder to tolerate. Creatine doesn't reverse aging, but it helps you maintain training quality. And training quality is still the biggest driver of muscle retention and recomposition after 30. If you can lift slightly heavier, recover slightly better, and maintain consistency longer, you're already ahead of most people. Let's clear up a few myths that still circulate. Creatine does not damage healthy kidneys. Creatine does not shut down testosterone, and creatine does not make you bulky or puffy. The initial weight gain some people notice comes from water being stored inside muscle cells, not under the skin. That intracellular hydration actually supports strength and muscle function. If anything, it's a performance benefit. There are many forms of creatine on the market, but one stands out consistently in the research. Creatine monohydrate. It's the most studied, the most effective, and the most cost-efficient. Other forms, like HCl or buffered creatine, are not necessarily better for most people. If monohydrate causes no digestive issues for you, there's no strong reason to switch. For most men over 30, dosing is simple, 3 to 5 grams per day. Every day. You do not need a loading phase. Timing matters far less than consistency, but taking it with food or post-workout can help with absorption and tolerance. Creatine works through saturation, not stimulation. If you have pre-existing kidney disease or you're on medications that affect kidney function, you should talk to your doctor first. For healthy adults, creatine is considered one of the safest supplements available. Creatine isn't magic, but it works, especially for men over 30 who want to train hard, recover better, and hold on to muscle as their physiology changes. Used correctly, it's one of the few supplements that consistently earns its place. If you want a clear breakdown of supplement timing and dosing specifically for men over 30, I've put together a simple guide linked below. No hype, just what actually works.